Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to repeat a particular header on all your printed pages. Look at this document. Let's go to print preview and see something. Print. This document is more than one page. See. And the header is only on the first page. This header now. What I want to show you is how to repeat this header on the second page. So to do that, you come to layout and look out for this print tiles. You click on print tiles, then look out for this place, rows to repeat at top. Rows to repeat at top. So click here, then we select the row. See, I've selected the whole row, then hit enter. Say okay. So now if we go back to our file, print, see the page one. Now go to second page. You notice that this particular place, that's the header here, is repeated. Go to 3, see it's repeated on all the pages. So that is how to repeat your header on all your printed pages. So we just hit print, and then it prints all the pages with this header appearing at the top of Apart from this top row, we can also do it on the column. The same thing applies. You come here and the column to repeat. If you want to repeat this column, this particular column, you just select it. If you want to repeat the rows and the column, you have to leave this one out. But if you don't want to repeat the rows and the columns, maybe only the columns, then you have to delete this one. And now come here, this particular column, and you hit enter and say okay. So let's go to preview. So let's see. So you see, you can go back, say rows and column, hit enter, say okay. Now let's preview it. See the header on all the pages, and then see the column. So that's that. So, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. Also turn on your notification button so that you can see more tutorials like this whenever I record anyone. Thanks.